10 years, 27 countries, 21,000 companies, 500,000 jobs, almost 950,000 tons of PVC recycled. Those figures summarize the work done by Vinyl 2010, the Sustainable Development Programme of the European PVC industry. But Vinyl 2010 is more than numbers. It has brought together the entire PVC value chain: resin manufacturers, plasticizers and intermediates, stabilizers, producers and converters. The voluntary approach has proven to be effective, and it has stimulated the industry to adjust quickly to market and political changes. A progress report audited by independent sources is published every year. A monitoring committee makes sure Vinyl 2010 stays on track. It includes representatives from the European Parliament, the Commission, trade unions and consumer organizations. Over 6.6 million euros were invested last year. 780,000 came from the 160 members of the Vinyl Foundation, which together with producers and additive manufacturers help finance recycling operations. In 10 years, a total of 948,827 tons of PVC have been recycled. 260,000 in 2010 alone. About 55% corresponds to rigid applications. 45% comes from flexible PVC. The 260,000 tons recycled last year represent the weight of 446 Airbus A380s, the world's largest passenger aircraft. In 10 years, the equivalent of more than 1,676 of these have been recycled. A 20-centimeter diameter pipe from New York to Strasbourg could be built with the 25,000 tons of pipes recycled in 2010. The 108,000 tons of profiles could be used to wrap 380 parliament buildings in Strasbourg. There, the surface of its 20 floors could be covered 5 times with the 2,200 tons of flooring recycled. And the 1,500 tons of waterproof membranes could insulate the roofs of 110 parliament buildings. To stimulate and make PVC collection and recycling commercially viable, Vinyl was created in 2003. In 2010, volumes increased 37% thanks to the 150 recyclers covering 17 European countries. Resin producers, including those in new member states, were audited in 2010. Results show a 90% compliance with industry standards. 100% is hoped to be achieved after the criteria for the remaining 10% are verified again in 2011. The plasticizer producers have adapted to regulatory and market conditions. Today, high phthalates represent over 70% of the plasticizer market in Europe. Stabilizer producers reported a 76% reduction in the use of lead in EU15. Lead will be phased out by 2015. Cadmium was completely phased out in EU27. Vinyl 2010 supports research and development. Vinyl Loop and TexiLoop experienced significant improvements in 2010. Several scientific studies were financed. Collaborations with associations in North and South America, Australia, Southeast Asia and South Africa have taken Vinyl 2010 to a global level. Since 2004, it has been a partnership registered with the Secretariat of the UN Commission on Sustainable Development. 2010 saw the launch of the Sustainable Thinking Platform, an online community with more than 3,000 young members from over 100 different countries discussing sustainability through essays, pictures and videos. And thousands of people are playing and learning every month with the Vinyl game that has been featured in major gaming portals. Building upon the achievements of the last 10 years and the increasing awareness regarding sustainable development, Vinyl 2010 members have decided to move forward with a new, more ambitious program currently under development. The foundations are strong. Working together, the future certainly looks promising for the European PVC industry.